Hi friends, today we are talking about what is Taguchi loss functions or quality loss functions. So friends, on this video we are talking about initially what is the Taguchi loss functions and quality loss functions. And on this topic I am uploading about 5 videos from their definitions to their numericals. So what will be saying you see here. So this is Japanese terms. What will be these terms will say us, will treat us. We are see here. Friends, this is a engine cylinder bore and having their diameter 25 mm. So 25 mm is the mean values showing in drawing, and tolerance will be given on this mean value is plus minus 0.04 mm. So it will be accepted within the range of 25.96, 24.96 to 25.04. Within this range, this diameter, engine bore diameter will be accepted. But after boring, cylinder bore observed three cylinder bores observed. The first cylinder bore is having 25.01. Second one is 25.04 and third one is 24.96. So these two cylinders are extremely upper and extremely lower tolerance having, and this is a near about their mean value. So what will be happen after sometimes these all cylinder bore having accepted, because these all bores fall in their specifications as 24.96 to 25.04. All cylinder bores are accepted. But suppose 3 customer buy this car, this cylinder bore and this. Third customer will be buy this cylinder bores of an engine. So then what will happen? This is a near their mean values. So this is having longer time to replace or repair of this cylinder bore, and it will be suppose that 9 to 10 year. After 9 to 10 year use of this cylinder bore, it will be replaced or repair. And this is a extremely high and extremely low specifications. Then these customer having only 5 to 6 year replacing time. So if our cylinder bore is much more near their specification, then it will be longer time to replace. And if the customer having extremely high or lower specifications value, then it will be less time taking for uses of this. This is very early replace or repair of this cylinder bore. These all 3 cylinder bores are acceptable, but this is a known as goal post mentality, because our target value will be achieved, but at the customer end this cylinder bore will be replaced as longer time, but this is a earlier replaced. So this is known as goal post mentality. So we talking about Taguchi loss functions. What will be says? The full name is Dr. Zen Ishi Taguchi. Friends, it is a mathematical representation that establishes the relations between product quality and function loss, which occurred by deviation from the target values. As you see in this picture, this is a target value, and if deviate 25.04, or it will be deviate 24.96. So this is a loss functions at the customer end. And if you define what is the quality is a uniformity around the target value is known as quality. Friend, this is a best definition of quality. Uniformity around the target value is known as quality. As see in this picture, 25 is the target value, and deviation uniformity around this 25 mm is known as quality. So what is conventional methods define as quality? Quality defined as defect rate, and it is inversely proportional to quality defect rate. If defect rate increase, then quality rate will be decreased. If product within the tolerance range, then it will be okay. T is the target value, plus minus delta T is the tolerance. If product within tolerance range, then it will be okay. And if product outside the tolerance range, then it will be says as NG, and it need repair, rework, or at last scrapped. So by traditional method, we define the quality loss as, the quality loss value is 0 if in mod y minus t is less than or equals to their tolerance value. Y is the observed and t is the target values. If these values observed as is less than or equals to tolerance, then it will be no cost paid by any customer. If their mod y minus t is greater than target value, if observed value is greater than their tolerance value delta t is a tolerance, then these products having some pay cost C for replacing or repair of that particular product. If greater than their tolerance value, then it will be something pay for replacing, rework, or repair. So what will be traditional approach will says, traditional approach will based on goal post mentality. Traditional approach is saying as goal post mentality. So in cylinder bore case, if our goal is 24.96 to 25.04, within this range all cylinder bores are accepted. This is a goal post mentality. But if our goal is set as near their mean value, then this is a, if we try to achieve their mean values like 25.01 or 25, then it is known as loss function mentality. But this is a goal post mentality we targeted here. The traditional approach saying goal post mentality, what will be saying, this is a LSL, lower specifications value, and this is a upper specifications value. So within lower to upper, these all values will be accepted because of we talking about goal post mentality. And outside this is a bad, this is a not accepted. So this is a mean value, A is a mean value, and something deviated from this here, this is a also accepted, and this is also accepted. So at location A, part is very good because they are it having mean value, and B and C as compared to E is having some losses. These values applies in same goal post mentality same. 25.01 is very fine as seen ABC as compared to 25.04 or 24.96. So this is the first video on this topic, Taguchi loss functions or quality loss functions. Now the second video you see also.